All right, so we're going to jump into solving systems using your TI-36X Pro. Remember, a system is when you have both an X and Y, and it's going to be equal to something. So there's going to be a total there. We looked at a couple word problems today, but I'm going to show you how to do these in the calculator. So what you're going to do is you take your TI-36X Pro, look and find that TAN button where it says TAN right there. Notice right above it, it says SysSolve. All that's short for is System Solve. Well, in order to get there, you have to press second, and you'll notice a little second button comes up, and then you'll press that tangent, which is System Solve. And it'll come up as again, System Solver here. So we'll go to 2 by 2. You're just going to press Enter on that first option. And notice it has your X, Y, and what it's equal to. All you do here is just input your information. So we have -12, and then you press Enter. That is a plus, so just press plus again, or you can just move to the right and put 6, Enter. And then it equals 18, 18, Enter. A lot of entering here. -6, Enter. We're doing the bottom now. +7, Enter. And then we have 5, Enter. And notice you should have the exact same thing here. So this should look identical to this. If it is, then just press Enter on Solve, and it tells you that X equals -2 and Y equals -1. It's a quicker way of solving systems. Obviously, we know to multiply the bottom here probably by, what, -2, so we can get those X's to cross out. That's how you'd solve it by hand. But again, a quick way to kind of do this through the calculator is doing everything I just did there. So if you need to, go back and watch that. But I'm going to do this again for another problem, because there are problems that look a little bit more trickier, but I'm just going to let you know how to do these in the calculator. I like to press on clear at the same time so I can get memory cleared and start fresh from the beginning. So that, I just did memory cleared. Now again, I press second, System Solve for that tangent button. It's going to be a 2 by 2. I press Enter. Now I plug it in exactly the way it says. That's -6, Enter. +14, Enter. -26, Enter. And notice here, there's no number. Usually, obviously, there's a 1 next to this X, but it's not seen. You can just go ahead and keep moving. The calculator already knows that there's a 1 there, so you can just go ahead. If you press Enter, notice it won't move to the next spot. So, but if you just press right, and then from there continue on, you should be fine. So this next part, that's a -7, so I'm going to put -7, Enter, and then that equals 23, Enter. So notice this looks exactly like this right here. Press Solve, and it gives me my answer as X equals -5 and Y equals -4. Again, go back, watch this video if you're still struggling with how to use the calculator, but this will solve all of your system problems. Especially if you get to the word problems, you set it up, put it in the calculator, and you will be done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and comment, subscribe. If you need me to make more videos, I will. Just let me know.